Welcome to another vlog by the Kenji, and behind me I've got Mr. Bistak Oz himself. Today we'll be cycling to Rocky Point, which is in the Concord Roads area. But we start the day in Para, as you can see, and good views already. Alright, so come join us on this fantastic bike ride today. At the outset you'll notice that this path got wooden planks, so if you've got keys and a phone, hold on to them for dear life, otherwise you will drop them, so be careful. I can see that we've got a downhill component. Oh my goodness, do you want me to go ahead? Hey. Yeah. Okay, it's not as bad as we thought. Wow, okay, so this is the first time that I'm actually going to be using this particular part of Parramatta cycle path.
Slide right.
So this is the Balladari wetlands over here. Wow, look at that, Ian, on your left. Whoa, look at those big plants. You seen that? On the left. Whew. Got a whole train. Yeah. Ian, I gotta say, this is a very nice pathway. Wow. Sunrise as well. Just as a heads up, I got at least like 1.5 liters of hot water, so we got plenty of hot water, dude. Oh my god, you actually got places over here. Wow. Interesting. Yeah, no, they got to stay on the left. Yeah, it's another interesting, well, I don't know if you want to call this a bridge or not, but yeah, take some pics. Sending some awesome footage. On it. Seems to hit some kind of like reserve maybe around here. Ooh, underneath the bridge. So far so good, nice, pleasant and flat, which has been nice. Oh yeah, oh, what's this? Vlog to vlog again? What's this? Whitlam Institute, okay. It's a female orphan school. That's something different. Alright, here we go. Where am I? Okay. Oh wow. Cool bridge. And I think we'll be passing underneath it. Oh, there's a library over there. It's a nice looking area. Parramatta, as you can see, is right behind, but we're going right on ahead. We're just going to power on through. People doing fishing in the morning. Yeah, fishing in the morning. Nice. Wow.
How many weekends is this? The 6th, 7th, or 8th?
Right towards
It's such a thing that I got people telling me, oh, we know what you're doing Saturday morning. You're doing your cycling. All right, so this is Bill Brewer Bridge. Another place that one would pass over if they're cycling on through. Okay.
turn left.
How's it going?
Then turn right.
Morning.
Morning.
Wow. Aha. Like an industrial. Oi.
Carl's sitting at the front and he's saying, oh, can you move?
Turn right, then slight left at Allen Street.
Yeah, so we were almost caught off guard very briefly, but the good thing is the signage is quite clear. Oh wow. Picturesque cycling in the morning. Right. So you'll see behind us something that looks pretty cool, like the red thing overhanging. Yeah, good stuff. Now, it's been a good cycle so far. So the Parramatta cycle pathway is actually quite flat, which is good, and one that I can safely say myself and Ian would definitely recommend. So let's keep going. All right, you will notice a lot of morning cyclists. Morning. A lot of cyclists in the morning, and a lot of people with road bikes. And again, to the viewers, this is my first time on this particular path, but one would dare say that it's a path one would use to get to the city through here. So this would probably have a cycle pathway laid out all the way to the Sydney CBD, which is pretty cool. But yeah, you'll notice something, that you'll be passing through a little bit of industrial complexes along the way. Just wondering where Ian is, so I think I'll just take a breather. You'll see a lot of cyclists that are pretty courteous in the morning, which is nice to see. But you know, even the ones that don't say hello back, you know, who knows what they're going through. So, you know, all the best to them. But yeah, I think today's navigation duties have been rested upon myself, which I don't mind. We've got Google Maps running in the background, and it'll tell us if we're, you know, missing the path. But having looked at the map, there's a pretty clearly laid out path all the way to about Meadowbank, at least for us, for today's purposes. So, oh, this is excellent, man. My goodness. So I think even somebody who's like a beginner level, once you're on that Parramatta cycle path, it's actually pretty nice and easy. All right. Yeah, so just that guys and myself, we're just having a discussion about potentially purchasing a road bike, and we found a good one for 800 bucks. Oh, look at those morning views, man. Good morning, Sydney. Wow. Want to take a break? Oh, there's a spot right here. Now that is well laid out. I think this place is made for the grams over here. And we can take a brief break here. And yeah, again, one will see that if they take this particular cycle path, that there's a whole lot of cyclists here in the morning, that's for sure. Amazing stuff. Just enjoy that. And we can already see a ferry station, a wharf rather, just over there. And where's Bistack Oz? He's taking his photos right over here. Oh, he's getting some videos too. Oh, there's some industrial thing over there, Ian. Smoke coming out.
I thought that's a bridge.
Yeah, that's what I thought too, but I think it's just piping.
Yeah.
It's pipe overhead. So having done a little bit of observing along the way, we now know that a cycle from Rydalmere Wharf to Meadowbank apparently is 5 k's, which is pretty neat info to know. And just looking around the place, seems to me like a good family friendly place as well. So, you know, one can bring their fam to the car park near Rydalmere Wharf and just have a little day of a picnic, bike ride with the fam and stuff. So very family friendly area, which is good to see. And these are the parts that I kind of wish I knew earlier about Western Sydney and the nice areas here, but you learn gradually, bit by bit, over the years. Good morning. All right, nice. Let's continue. Looks to me like we're going to be passing another West Ryde jetties up ahead, 2.7 k's, but yeah, cars passing above. Now this is a proper bridge above us. Oh, got the morning rowing club. Yep. Wow. Morning roads. Yeah, so we got the sun in our face because we're cycling eastbound. Some nice views along the way. Now, looking at my earlier videos, if you notice the detail, we actually were cycling along the other side of this. So when we came from the Armory Reserve, which is on that side, we're going back towards Maryland and stuff. We took that sort of way through there, although we turned left up ahead over there. Yeah.
You can still use that one.
Yeah, I think I can.
More for like vlogging, like short clips.
Yeah. Look at that, man. Look at all that. It's a whole lot of parkland here, dude.
It's the thing with road bike.
Yeah.
I think you need to put a chest mount on your helmet.
Yeah.
Because the way you're driving, it's facing down.
Yeah, so having our own customized shirts, you're saying? So yeah, there was a brief part where we had to be like on the road there, but now we're back onto a proper cycle path, as you guys can see. Sydney Olympic Park, Wentworth Point and stuff on our right. And we continue up ahead. Look at them views. Ooh, look at that. Nice. And I think we will be crossing this bridge. So we'll probably take a brief break up ahead. I have a sneaking suspicion we're going to need to maybe go up there and turn. It would just be a bit overkill, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Blackswamp Road.
You can see the beach already.
Oh yeah.
I grew up in a place like that.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Morning. Oh bro, we're going to be passing the bridge. Oh man, it's fantastic. Okay. Wow. Incredible. Gosh. All right, and we are crossing the bridge from Meadowbank to Rhodes, so we are almost at our destination, and it's a pretty cool bridge, I might say so, to cross in the morning, that's for sure. So let's continue. Damn. So on our right would be the train passing, and you got ferry stops along the way, along the Parramatta River. You got people doing their morning walks, runs, and you'll see a lot of You'll see a lot of cyclists in the morning as well. People doing their salute to the camera in the morning, which is cute. Yeah, man. Places where I never thought I'd be, I end up being thanks to these mortared cycles, that's for sure. So, good stuff. There's a walk path down that way. Yeah. So we went from the bridge. I think this is North Strathfield. Oh no, it's Rhodes. There you go. Rhodes. We are at Rhodes. This is legit like a busy road over here. Oh. Passing through.
100 meters, turn right onto Kalula Street.
We are on the home stretch. And that'll be the case, like for most of the road. You're doing quite well. But on the end, you're kind of like trying to figure out how to get to your final destination. That said, it's a nice little pocket of suburbia here as well. So we got Concord Hospital over there. Must be very close. And yep, this is Rocky Point. Didn't know it was an off-leash area. So yeah, you got Rivendell School. Yeah, this is Rocky Point. Excellent. On the way back, we can just take this path up here. We'll hit the road. Yeah, it's been an incredible cycle in the morning, and now it's time for some coffee. So come join us for a much-deserved coffee. All right, so before we take a beat over here, in fact, I'll just place my bag down on the table. Okay, hopefully that'll stay. Okay, I've just put my bike over there. You can actually see, or from our point of view, we can see the Sydney skyline, the Centre Point Tower and the other major buildings. And you got like a little mini beach situation over here. Yeah, got a little mini beach situation. So you got some shells over here, a whole lot of them. And you got a ferry passing by over there. Nice. Good morning. Yeah, so this building, I think what comes up when you type in Rocky Point. I'll try and get a good shot of it. There we go. And we've got the classic big thermos over here. 2 litre capacity. I think I put about 1.5 litres easy hot water. It's gonna make that sound. Yep, oof. Talk about vacuum sealed. Whoa, that is piping hot water. Alright. And we've got the Nescafe as usual. And even myself, I'm going to go down that road as well. Glad Ian brought an extra one today.
I'm so bad this week, bro. Seriously. Since Monday.
Yeah.
Since Monday, because I'm not stressed at work, but I'm very busy.
Yeah.
Especially training someone with no experience. And then boss coming. So every day I was drinking soda, Coca-Cola.
Oh my goodness.
Since Monday to Friday.
Not gonna lie, that's amazing. Very quick. And yeah, you said that you're having like a whole lot of like soda and stuff during the week. Woo.
Yeah.
You guys saw that on camera. Damn.
Worst thing, I think 2 days I have 2 cans of Coke.
Yeah. You know, I can never drink that amount of Coke, man. I'm always amazed at people that can drink that amount of Coke. I just can't do it.
Yeah, I was doing it since Monday. That's
Like
all.
I can maybe only have like 100 mils and I'm just like, nah man, it's just too sweet for me. It's too much. example by Keiko, yes, you can be pretty quick with it as well. So all self-contained. Get that coffee in. Through experience, you end up being able to. Oh, you actually recorded that section. Oh my god.
That's why I told you. That's why I almost got into an accident because I was not holding. Then I was driving.
That makes sense now, yeah.
Then I thought actually here, like if you go to the end, look. No, this is why because I turned around to take a video of you. Then I got like my heel, like this.
Oh my gosh.
See, I was doing okay. I turned around to take a video of the Kenji Diaries here. Like, see, you're doing okay here. Take a video of you, then.
And then, oh my, I'm just so glad that walked out properly with that. Goodness, that could have been so much worse. So, lesson of the day, people, you focus on the cycle path, especially if you're recording. Oh, there's a chopper coming right towards us. Alright, bottoms up with the...
But this is actually good interest. At least at the end, I
enjoy the coffee aspect.
The reason why I bought a mountain bike is to try and a bit of, you know, off-road. This one. I wasn't thinking about cycling on the road. So at least we experience this one.
Yeah, no, exactly. There you go, folks. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Cheers. Alright. Get my usual photo of my really nice espresso shot. There's a nice crema as well. Thanks for watching. It's been a good cycle ride, but yeah, like and subscribe for more videos from the Kenji Diaries, for more bike vlogs, unboxings, cafe experiences, you name it. Like, it's a whole sort of thing going on, like that travel lifestyle sort of thing. So have a good weekend, or you know, whenever you watch this, have a good day, I should say, and until next time, bye for now.